Jones canvassing. Bob Santa Maria did not get a good start up there in the 23. Canvassy all over him. Meanwhile, McKissick's dipping down on the low side, but look who's out front. Something is not right with the 23. We're getting caution. Caution out on the racetrack. Reiner, Canvassy, green flag in the air. Much better start for Bob Santa Maria. Hanging up on the high side of Jones. Schreiner has a little bit of a slip. He's going in the wrong direction. Look at Santa Maria. Jones has it at start finish. Followed by Santa Maria. Cody Canvassy in the 22 and Dylan Jones. 3 wide as we go into turn number 3. Mariah McGriff on the bottom. Schreiner and Doherty. We're going to go 3 wide again with Jake Boyle now up on the high side trying to follow Daniel Doherty through. Meanwhile, up front, your leader, Dustin Jones, with Canvassy and Santa Maria. The real fight is in the back between Doherty and Boyle, McGriff and Schreiner in Houston. All battling, almost going 3 wide around the whole racetrack. Mariah stuck on the bottom, loses all kinds of momentum. Battle for second, heating up between Canvassy and Santa Maria. Jake Boyle trying to get around Schreiner. Daniel Doherty gets clear. Sets his sights on McKissick. Meanwhile, the battle for second still growing strong between Canvassy and Bobby Santa Maria. Dustin Jones out front. Schreiner stuck on the bottom. Can't seem to find his way up to the high side. That truck's going to have to work on the bottom. Jake Boyle, Schreiner side by side. Zane McKissick trying to get by Dylan Jones. Take over the 4th spot. Well, Bobby Santa Maria. No pressure now from Canvassy. Sets his sights on Dustin Jones. There's battles all over the racetrack. I go with McKissick, Dylan Jones, Schreiner, Daniel Doherty, Jake Boyle, Sarah Houston, Mariah McGriff, Keaton Swain, Bob Santa Maria looking for that first asphalt win. Dustin Jones looking just to put another trophy up on the shelf. Cody Canvassy, Bob Santa Maria, both quicker than Dustin Jones. Bob Santa Maria putting on a charge. Top 3 trucks have checked out. Got their own little battle, followed by McKissick and Schreiner, Dylan Jones, Jake Boyle, Sarah Houston, Mariah McGriff, Daniel Doherty, and Keaton Swain. And it is a slugfest back there, and that's all we can say is a slugfest. Schreiner puts some heat on McKissick. Jake Boyle bounces into Dylan Jones. Dylan Jones keeps him at bay. Mariah McGriff gets in the front of the 20. 20 looking back down the bottom. Doherty going the wrong way. Bob Santa Maria looking for that first win on the pavement down here at Tucson Speedway. Dustin Jones starting to put some little bit better laps together. 24 of Daniel Doherty, your two-time defending champ. Oh, we got a car truck that's off the pace. That would be the 61 of Dylan Jones. He's going to take a pit side. Bob Santa Maria all over the rear deck lid of Dustin Jones. Bob has been trying. Could tonight be one of those nights that he's able to finally put that truck into victory lane? Schreiner gets by McKissick. Houston gets by Jake Boyle. Mariah McGriff's trying to look to get through as well. Daniel Doherty, Keaton Swain back there as well. Lap 20 in the books. 10 to go. See if they put a lap on the 57, how that affects the battle for the lead. Well, Mariah McGriff down on the bottom, trying to look underneath Jake Boyle with Sarah Houston right there too, with Daniel Doherty. Keaton Swain pulling off the racetrack. It's a hornet's nest back there with Houston and McGriff, Doherty and Boyle. Around the 57 as the leader go. I think the leader is starting to do a little bit of a check out. Bob catches the 57 at a real bad spot. 7 laps to go. Bob caught the traffic at a bad spot. So did Canvassy. See if they can reel in Dustin Jones. Bob Santa Maria 0.2 quick slower. Cody Canvassy 0.3 slower. Dustin Jones. 5 to go. 5 to go this time by. Looking in his rear mirror. Looking at the 23. Getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Meanwhile, Houston gets a little bit loose coming off too. Mariah McGriff's over there to pounce. McGriff, Houston, side by side, coming out of 4. Move over flag to the 30. Dustin Jones just on cruise control. 0.2 quicker than anybody else in the field. McKissick gets around the lap machine of Jennifer Hall. Houston, McGriff, Doherty still fighting it out back there. 8 does a slide job. The 21's going to try to go down on the bottom. Not quite. 24 stuck back there as well. Dustin Jones takes the white flag. Dustin Jones goes into turn number 3. Give Jones the win, followed by Santa Maria, Cody Canvassy, Schreiner, McKissick, McGriff, Doherty, Houston, and Boyle.
All right, Tucson Speedway, what do you think about the trucks? Oh, man, really? Come on, what do you think about the trucks? All right, we want to thank the trucks. The last couple of years, we've had some lengthy cautions and a few reds, so that's how you come out roaring, if you ask me.
Give it up once again for Dustin Jones. I don't believe this is the first time I talked with you, so congratulations once again. You had absolutely checked out. So compared to now with the heat and qualifying and the sun setting, what are you looking forward to the race farther on tonight?
I'm just looking forward to be handling as good as it did. I know we were in the daytime right now, but we're going to be going into the nighttime right now. We'll make a few adjustments and go from there. I'd like to thank all my family and friends for coming out here and doing this every other weekend with us. My kid, Chuck Wares, for helping us set these cars up and dealing with all of our chaos in the pits. And most and foremost, thanks to you, Rincon Vista Landscaping.
Congratulations once again. Dustin Jones, everybody.
So he'll get the pictures that he's been there.